Here I am doing a walkthrough at House of Hot Rods, looking at the car. You can see my shaved door handles. You can see we have that nice dark color gray. My bumpers are tucked. Still not a finished work just yet, a little dusty from the shop, but you can see the body work that these guys at the House of Hot Rod has done. Look at those shaved door handles. Those, I can't wait to get out there in the streets with this one. Everything's looking good so far.